In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Intranet switch in Microsoft Edge. This setting can be really useful if you need to access internal websites more efficiently for work or other purposes. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can follow along with ease. So, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up your Microsoft Edge browser. You can probably find the icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Once you've got Edge open in front of you, take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. There, you'll notice three small dots. This is typically referred to as the More or Menu button. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear before you. From this list of options, look for Settings. Clicking on Settings will open up a new tab or page filled with all sorts of customizable options. You'll find settings that control everything from your browser's appearance to your privacy preferences. Now, if you glance over to the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a sidebar with several categories. What we want to find next is Profiles. Make sure you click on Profiles to proceed. Why Profiles, you ask? Well, this section helps manage settings relating to you as the user and often includes options concerning how your browser interacts with different networks. Once you're in the Profiles section, keep an eye out for Profile Preferences. This is where various user-specific settings reside. Click on Profile Preferences, and you'll be taken into another set of options. We're getting close now, so just hang in there. Under these preferences, you will want to look for the option labeled Intranet Switch. This is the feature we're focusing on today. Once you've found it, you'll see a button on the right-hand side. If it's not already enabled, go ahead and click this button to turn it on. Enabling the Intranet switch allows Microsoft Edge to better handle internal network addresses, making it more efficient for intranet use. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the Intranet switch in Microsoft Edge. Whether you need this for work or just to streamline your web browsing experience, this little tweak can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to leave a comment or like the video. Have a great day navigating and